Frederick, Francesca, and Leo own a house as tenants in common. Francesca owns a 25% interest in the property. When Francesca dies, what happens to her ownership interest? A. Goes to her heirs. B. Goes to Frederick and Leo, split equally. C. Goes to Frederick and Leo in proportion to their ownership interests. D. It's impossible to know. Correct answer, A. Goes to her heirs. In a tenancy in common, each owner has a separate and distinct ownership interest that can be transferred during life or passed on at death. There is no right of survivorship in this form of ownership. Therefore, when Francesca dies, her 25% interest becomes part of her estate and is transferred to her heirs according to her will or state inheritance law. Let's see why the other options are incorrect. B. Goes to Frederick and Leo, split equally. This would occur only if the property were held as joint tenancy with right of survivorship, not tenancy in common. C. Goes to Frederick and Leo in proportion to their ownership interests. Tenants in common do not automatically absorb a deceased owner's interest, regardless of ownership percentages. D. It is impossible to know. The outcome is clearly defined under tenancy in common rules, making this option incorrect.